In the early 1600s, America was not a dream. It was a risk. Men and women crossed the Atlantic Ocean in fragile ships, leaving behind everything they knew: homes, families, security. The journey itself was brutal. Storms destroyed ships, hunger weakened bodies, disease claimed lives. There was no guarantee of survival, but they came anyway. Why? Because they believed that a better future was worth fighting for. This is where the American mindset was born, not in comfort, but in courage. Survival before success. The first settlements struggled to survive. Winters were harsh, food was scarce. Many lost hope, many gave up. But those who stayed learned a powerful lesson. Freedom is not given, it is earned through endurance. They worked the land with bare hands. They built shelters from nothing. They adapted, learned, and refused to quit. America did not rise because conditions were easy. America rose because people became stronger than their conditions. The fight for freedom. By the 1700s, the colonies were growing, but they were not free. They were controlled, taxed, and restricted by a distant empire. Voices were ignored, rights were denied, power was abused. And once again, people faced a choice: stay silent or stand up. The American Revolution was not just a war of weapons, it was a war of mindset. The colonists were outnumbered, outtrained, out-resourced, but they had something stronger than armies: belief. Men like George Washington led not with fear, but with example. He faced defeat, cold winters, and near collapse, but he never surrendered his vision. At Valley Forge, soldiers lacked food, clothing, and supplies. Many walked barefoot in the snow, yet they stayed. Why? Because they believed freedom was worth the pain. And that belief changed history. A nation built on discipline and unity. When independence was finally won, America faced a new challenge. Victory is easy to celebrate, but building a nation is harder than winning a war. The Founding Fathers knew that freedom without discipline would fail, that power without responsibility would collapse. So they built a system based on law over chaos, responsibility over impulse, unity over division. The Constitution was not just a document, it was a commitment to self-control, accountability, and long-term vision. America